think? What's one ingredient in ice cream? Yeah.
Milk.
Milk. Yeah, do you have milk back here? All right. Milk. What else do we need? Yeah.
Ice.
We're going to be using, actually, that liquid nitrogen is so cold. We're going to be using that instead of ice to cool off our ice cream. What else?
Sugar?
We do. We need sugar. But before we even add the sugar, it's ice cream. What else do we need? What do we think? We are going to need vanilla because we're making the most popular flavor of ice cream. We're making vanilla ice cream today.
What?
Cream, we do. We need cream for our ice cream here. And because we care about your health, we're using half and half today. Alright? So, putting our milk and cream. And once that's in, we need to add that sugar. Alright? Sugar. We need about 4 cups of sugar. Alright.
Sugar.
2, 3,
Really? That's actually like 6.
4. Okay. Pretty good. Alright. So everyone's always surprised by how much sugar we add, but here's the thing. When stuff gets cold, it doesn't have as strong a flavor. So that's why we don't eat ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because there is a lot of sugar in it. I can't get that away. And we need to add our vanilla. Also, maybe this one will be nicer to us. And we'll open. Alright, who's got fingernails?
These are the worst.
Yeah.
I do.
Oh, I got it! I got it!
Same time.
No, I know.
Alright. I got mine.
Plastic didn't come off. It's not our base. We're making vanilla. We need enough vanilla. Alright. So now we have to stir because we don't want crunchy ice cream. So we have to dissolve that sugar that we put in because I don't like to take a bite of ice cream and have sugar crunchies in it. So can you hear it? Crunchy. We don't want that. So we gotta stir it. And then in just a moment we're gonna be adding that liquid nitrogen to cool it off. And we're gonna keep stirring because raise your hand if you can tell me what you think the most important ingredient in ice cream is. What do you think the most important ingredient in ice cream is? What do you think? Milk is an excellent guess, but that's not correct. It's not the vanilla either, but that's also a great guess. It's also not the sugar. It's not the ice. Not the cream. You guys are like, these are all great answers, but I'm just going to tell you, it's air. Alright? If I took this and I stuck it in the freezer, that's not going to make ice cream. It's going to make a big block of milky, sugary ice, right? We have to stir constantly while we're making our ice cream to put air in there so that you actually get the ice cream. Gotta taste it. Oh yeah, that's good. That's gonna be good ice cream.
It won't be
Alright.
good for me because it's
So, we're gonna put our safety gear on because we are ready now to start
liquid nitrogen.
making this into ice cream instead of just sugar milk.
That looks so cold.
It is so cold. It's negative 320 degrees. That's 320 degrees below zero, and that's more than twice as cold as where the penguins and polar bears live. Spin that for me,
That's
Betsy.
fine.
Yeah, it's bubbles because this stuff is boiling at room temperature.
Why not vanilla ice cream?
Yeah, because it is real vanilla ice cream. Right? I'm making a mess. It's really cold. So as we stir this stuff in, we're cooling off the milk. And in just a few minutes, you'll see that we are starting to make ice cream. Alright? Yeah. This is we're using our really cold stuff to cool off our ice cream.
Very dangerous.
We make it nice and cold. But don't worry, by the time this turns into ice cream and we give it to you, all of the liquid nitrogen will be gone. It'll have boiled away. And it'll have gone into the air all around us. The air you're breathing is 98%, no, not 98, 78% nitrogen gas. Right? Yeah, this stuff is
It's gonna get
Oh, there you go.